Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a fake virus to prank your friends. So easiest way and simple basic way to create a fake virus. Firstly guys, you need to open Notepad. Now here you have to type this command line. So I will give this command line in my description. You can get this command line from my website. I will give the website link in description. Then click on File, Save As, give any name. And in the last .bat, make sure you type in the last .bat. Now here select all file as save as type, location, then save it. Now double click on that file. So in just 1 or 2 minutes you can create this fake virus. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.